looking at identifying the greater and less than of the following graphs. Now, looking at these graphs, you can see that we have 4 linear graphs. These are all linear graphs. Why? Because it includes only x and y axis. Now, it's including our x and y axis. How do we identify which side is greater and which side is less? And looking at my diagram, I've already identified them already. Now, the basis of understanding or knowing where you would have a greater than or less than is such that for your greater than on any linear graph, the upper part also, that's the top part relatively, is greater. This is the greater than, this is the less than. For this is the greater, this is the less. For this is the greater, this is the less. And for this is what? Greater, this is the less. Now, you notice two things. This is a continuous line. It means this is greater than or equals to. For strictly greater than or strictly less than, the difference will just be what? The line. That one will be what? Dotted. And if that one is dotted, this will still be my greater than. This will still be my what? Less than. The same thing for this, and for this. Also, you will notice that for this graph that we have here, or let me put it like this, for any graph that you draw as a linear graph, any linear graph, they would be in any of these 4 ways. They cannot be more than this. What do I mean? We have our negative positive as to x comma y. We have our positive positive. We have our negative negative. And we have our what? Our positive negative. So any linear graph we draw will be in this form. And if you are to shade that linear graph, for the greater than side in terms of inequality, will be like this, like this, like this, and what? Like this. Now, taking note of 2 things. This is the negative positive. This is the positive negative. Now, these are for opposite signs. For opposite signs, the greater than is what? On the same, like it is on the same angles. It's at the same angle. And then for the same signs, negative negative, positive positive, the greater than is also what? At the same what? Angle, and so on. So this is how to represent basically or identify the greater than and less than of the following graphs.